Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to open the system settings app of your macOS or the preferences pane of your macOS using a native desktop app. So we will create a native desktop app using Xcode with Swift. You can use Swift UI or AppKit, doesn't really matter because the business logic of opening the system settings will remain the same. So here, as you can see, I have created a native macOS project using using AppKit, but you can use Swift UI if you want to. And here first I'll uncomment this code. So here it will only open our system settings app. So I'll quickly run this project, and inside, as soon as this app is initialized, it also opens the system settings. So it is initializing, and here as you can see, it has automatically opened system settings. So here as you can see, I am opening the security preference pane inside my preferences pane. So as you can see, it has directly clicked on this privacy and security thing. Now there is second way as well. So here as you can see, I will use this method. Now some people say that this method is deprecated. I am not really sure about it because it works fine. And if I I'll just quickly quit this system settings. I will stop this. I will rerun my app, and here you can see it again opens system settings, but here it just opens the system settings. I have not told it to, I have just told it open the system settings preferences, but here it opens the appearance, which I think is the default thing when you open system settings. Okay, because we haven't told system settings to what exactly inside system settings we want to open. But suppose I have something in mind. Okay, so suppose I can do something like this. I will just quickly remove this. Similarly like this, here we were opening the security pane. We can open security pane using this as well. So I'll quickly quit my system settings app. I will rerun this again, and hopefully it should open the security pane. So here you can see it has automatically clicked on security pane. Now inside security pane, I want it to open this screen and system audio recording, so something like this. So I'll quickly close this. Okay, and I'll just add this bit of code, privacy underscore screen capture. Now how will I know what is the name of this, right? So what to add this in case if I want to open photos from my security app. So for that I'll show you one GitHub repo where it has documented each and every menu item. So here you can see it has automatically opened the system and screen and system audio recording inside my privacy and security. Now for this, like suppose I want to open the photos from privacy and security. So for this you can just go to this GitHub repo. Now this is for Ventura and Sonoma. There are other system preferences as well, like you can just go through this for Monterey as well, but yeah, for Ventura and Sonoma it is more or less the same. And here you can get each and everything. So if you want to open VPN, you can just copy paste this. If you want to open notification, you can copy paste this. So, and for here you can see these are just other sections, like if I want to open date time, I can just copy paste this. For appearance, for privacy, all this control, privacy and security. So here you can open something like this, and if inside privacy and security you want location services, you can use something like this. So yeah, here you can see photos as well has been opened. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.